Many companies underestimate the complexity of post-audit processes. Without expert guidance, minor issues can escalate into major compliance problems. Are you prepared for the next audit cycle? Let's explore why post-audit support is crucial. Post-audit support isn't just about fixing issues, it's about preventing them. Compliance is a lifestyle, not a race. Proactive measures can save time and resources, ensuring your company stays ahead. Imagine having a dedicated team guiding you through every step. Discover the benefits of expert support, turning potential pitfalls into opportunities for growth. With over 25 years of experience, Arrakis Consulting specializes in cybersecurity and compliance. Our team is dedicated to ensuring your company is always audit-ready, providing peace of mind and expert guidance. Hear from satisfied clients who have benefited from our expertise. Their success stories highlight the tangible advantages of partnering with Arrakis Consulting for post-audit support. We offer tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. Our step-by-step process ensures no detail is overlooked, providing a seamless transition from audit findings to compliance. Experience the difference with our comprehensive approach. We turn audit challenges into opportunities, ensuring your company remains compliant and ready for future audits. Explore real-world examples of companies that have thrived with our support. Understand the tangible benefits of our services through client testimonials, showcasing our impact on their compliance journey. See how we transform audit challenges into growth opportunities. Our clients' success stories are a testament to the effectiveness of our post-audit support. Don't wait for the next audit to take action. Contact Arrakis Consulting today at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to discuss your post-audit needs. Ensure your company is always one step ahead in compliance. By partnering with Arrakis Consulting, you'll gain peace of mind and expert guidance. Together, we'll navigate the complexities of compliance, ensuring your company is always audit-ready. Take the first step towards audit excellence. Reach out to us today and experience the difference expert post-audit support can make for your company.